Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser here and just here type Visual Studio Code, and after that you can see their official website code.visualstudio.com. Just click the first link here, and here you can see this window. To download it, simply click download for Windows option here. And after clicking that, this will bring you to this page, and the download will be automatically started. As you can see, my download is already automatically started, but I previously downloaded this one, so I don't need to download it again. So I'm gonna go to the folder that I downloaded previously, and to install it, all I have to do is double click the downloaded file and select run here, and just select I accept the agreement and click next. And you can change the folder if you want to, but I'm gonna leave it as default. Just click next, just click next again. You can select create a desktop icon, just select next install. So it is already preparing to install, so you have to wait a bit and the installation process is started. So wait a bit for fully install the software on your PC. As you can see, my installation process is finished. All I have to do is simply click the finish option here, and it will launch for the first time. And so this is it. I have successfully downloaded and installed the Visual Studio Code. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.